Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fantastic trading day. I definitely had a good day today, and in today's video I am going to give you 5 stocks that insiders are loading. So insider activity is always the news before the news, so it's so important to pay attention to the insider transactions and to sift out those that are the best. There are lots that are just noise. I have a lot of experience and have done this type of investing over a long period of time, so I love to swing trade these. Anyway, let's get to it. Year to date, personally, I am at a 156.92% gain. I hope all of you are having a fantastic year so far. But before I get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before and you like the content of this channel and you like these lists, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. I have some links down below I need to let you know of real quick. First of all is Webull. If you want free stocks and you're looking for a powerful broker, please click on that. You can get some free stocks. You can get over $1,600 worth of stocks, I think, right now. So it's a really good deal by clicking that link. I also have a link for BlockFi. I love to hold cryptocurrency, so I have quite a bit, and I love to earn interest on that cryptocurrency that compounds. And so I love BlockFi for that reason. If you are looking for $10 worth of free money of BTC, click on that link and you will get that. So there's an invite link down there, and that's a good thing to have and a great place to hold your cryptocurrency. Also, I have a link to our Patreon group, and this group is really fantastic. I don't just say that, but there are lots of great strategies and a lot of people within those discords that are really trying to help you to be successful. And for the small amount that it costs, it will easily make up for it for one great trade. There are lots of different levels depending upon your budget that you are looking at, but I hope to see you there. It's a great place, and I enjoy working with everybody there each and every day. One thing you need to understand is I am not a financial advisor. You, of course, need to do your own due diligence and be responsible for those stocks that you buy. Always have a strategy behind every stock that you buy. If you don't have a strategy, please check out that Patreon group because you will make money definitely by following strategies. That is the best way to do it. All right, so let's get to it. Let's get to our top 5 list of stocks that insiders are loading. Here we go. Pick number 5 is Activision/Blizzard, ticker symbol ATVI, the video game maker. My target for this stock is $95. Currently, my average in it is $81.99, so I bought this up when I saw insider activity. Since calling this out in our Discord, it is up 3.67%, but I think it has plenty of room to run, more than 10% to run, and this is a good safe stock that has a lot of positives. So let's go to the chart and take a look. And as you can see here, we have had a MACD golden cross down here. We are also seeing positive momentum on the RSI. The director bought shares right here. So right there is where the director bought shares multiple days in a row in open market. And so this is a very good transaction, definitely buying the dip here. And so far the price has really responded, but it is nowhere even close to where it's going to go. I think it's going to get to $95, and this is the level that I'm looking for. That is going to be your next level of resistance. If it gets past my price target of 95, watch out. This thing could really fly. Anyway, I like it for a big move upwards. It is way oversold, and so I think this is a great value. Okay, the 4th pick is Company Eraska, ticker symbol ERAS. My personal price target for this is $30 a share. My average in it's $20.25, and I'm expecting a big move on this. So far since calling this out, it is up 3.80% in our Discord, but there is plenty of room to run on this. And Chen Buhua, I probably destroyed that name, bought shares in open market, and also this one hasn't been on the market too long, and it's already just climbing. A lot of positive price action here, and I am expecting it to continue with that very strong insider activity. So looking forward to this being a great pick. Hopefully all of you see value in this one and want to get in on it. I think it's going to be a great mover. All right, number 3 is iHeartRadio or iHeartMedia, ticker symbol IHRT. My personal target on this is $26.50. I think it's going to get there within a reasonable amount of time. My average in it is $22.44 since calling this out in our Discord. It is up 3.59%. But the CEO has been buying shares in open market. And so today it really reacted well to price. Now there is this gap down here that could fill, but I am expecting that to not happen quite yet. This was too big a dip, and I think it's retracing back upwards. And so I like it right around that 26.50 range, which is right in here. Like it to move back to that range, and so to get a quick profit out of that, that's a little over 10%. 15%, but looking for a nice move here, and we shall see. Hopefully you can get all the way back up here to 28, but I think right around that level of resistance right up here, I would probably be a seller. But I think this is a great quick turnaround, and I think this could do really well for your portfolio. Okay, number 2 is Global Payments, ticker symbol GPN. My target for this is $195. I bought it at $176.28, and since calling this out, it is down 3.81% so far. But this is more of a longer term insider pick. I really love the multiple buys that we are seeing in open market on this. And so there was a huge unreasonable dip down here, and I could see this moving up. It fell way too far. And so I could see it moving upwards, and I believe the director bought this in anticipation of this being oversold. And so I like this to go up to 195, loving this movement, and it could really, really move upwards. So we've had 2 different insider transactions, and so this has been very, very bullish. And on Wednesday in the morning, right early in the morning before market even opened, there was another insider purchase. And so I like the multiple insider purchases happening. Hopefully that will continue. I've had a lot of success with stocks that have had multiple insider buys. An insider goes in and buys, and then goes back and buys again in open market, then goes back and buys again in open market. That's too much buying pressure for the stock, and I could see this one moving upwards for that reason. All right, to those who know me, number 1 should not be a surprise. VOXX International, ticker symbol VOXX, and this is going to be a barn burner. I love this one each and every year. Collie Holding goes in on this multiple insider buys in a row, and I believe we're somewhere around 15 days in a row on this, and it continues each and every morning. So this morning, on Wednesday morning, there was another insider purchase, and it just keeps happening. You see we have some positive price action here. This has been beaten up and is a fantastic value. You can see that we had a MACD golden cross, and it's continuing upwards, and the momentum is in the right direction, but we are still only at an RSI of 49. So this has so much further to go. My price target for this is $16. My average in it is $11.05. Since calling this out, it is up 6.70% in my own personal portfolio, but there's so much further to go. I think $16 is easy. I've seen this stock slowly over time go from around 8 last year all the way to 21, and so that was a big move, and it was just constant insider activity after insider activity after insider activity. That could happen again, but I am being a little bit more cautious this year, but I do think that 16 is going to be in our future. We've had some resistance here. Right around 1450 is going to be a concern, but then around 1650 is another area of resistance, and I think we're going to get all the way to there, especially if the insider activity continues. And so I like this one. As long as the insider activity continues each and every day, I like to just hold this one. It's very, very significant that they are loading shares as they are. All right, if you have any questions or you're looking for me to look at a stock for you, please reach out to me in the comments section down below. I'd love to at least give you a second opinion on a stock that you like and just give you my opinion. Now, it's only my opinion. Of course, you need to do your own due diligence. So I will see you all tomorrow on Friday pre-market. Looking forward to the weekly squeeze video, and I should be able to find some gems like we found last week. And anyway, wishing you all the best in the stock market, and Raythoven out.